She never looked that way at me. I swear she's fucking with my head. Take me far away, far away.
No, let's see the look. Let's see a book now.
Filled with flaws but perfect. All your dreams are valid.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, do have to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, okay? If you're a returning subscriber, my OGs, thank you for coming back, okay? And I really appreciate. If you're new here, you're going to love it here. Just stay tuned, don't go anywhere, no run, sit down and relax, okay? Subscribe. It's very important for you to subscribe so that you get to see my posts, and turn on the post notification bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. I am Chidozie Victoria, a YouTuber based in the United States of America. And guys, join me on this unboxing video. I just got a mail now that my package from Shein has arrived, and I just peeped from online and I saw my package. So let's go get it together, okay? Let's go get it, the package together, and see what I have there. What's this? See you. Come along with me. Come along with me. Come along with me.
Took a couple L's this week. It's been She never looked that way at me. I swear she's fucking with
I'm stuck in between doing YouTube video and doing TikTok video. So let's do this. Let's do this unboxing. Oh. Say your body, don't see. Say your body, don't see. Let's see the license. Let's do this. How do you guys are doing unboxing? How do you guys do this unboxing? Because it's looking so funny and weird. I don't know what doing unboxing one time, but I did like so guys, I'm just so excited because I have new hairs now. So I got one. Oh my god, it's true. 2, 3, 4, 5, everything. When I get new stuff, guys, I'm so excited. I just feel like a baby when I get new stuff. You know, I'm so excited anytime I get anything new. I would want to try them on. I would always anticipate the day I'm going to rock them on. I don't know if anybody has this kind of feeling, but it has always been me. I love getting new stuff. So I'm going to be trying these dresses here, so you guys are going to see how it fits in. Just a regular trying them on, so you get to tell me how it looks on my body, okay? Now, we are doing some unboxings on this channel. There are more packages to come. I got more PR packages, and there are more to come on this channel. Guys, let me wear these dresses. So look at the first. This is the first. I ordered blazers because for some reasons I ordered blazers because I needed them for some stuff. So this is the first blazer. I had to change it up and wear before so I can see if it fits well. It fits well somehow, but I think I should have ordered for a more tighter, for a smaller size rather. So this one is looking big somehow. This is how it's supposed to be, but I'm not liking the vibe. It was meant to be thick, but it's looking more like a, I say peplum material. It's peplum, that's right, but like it's supposed to be, you know what I mean, thick, this thick material, but it's looking so light, and it's the color, but it's not giving me what I wanted it to give me. Like it's so light, and no. So I'm going to be trying out a pant on this. I ordered a black pant, so let's see how the pants, if the pants will complement. I had to put on my wig because that is short. Hey! This has to be the worst order ever. Now, where would I see Taylor? Where would I see Aboki now? I'm laughing, but it's not funny. Where would I see Aboki that will make this thing for me now? Where would I see Aboki that would make this thing? Please, if you're on this YouTube channel and you know it, and you know where I can make this thing, let me know. God, this fucked up. Oh, but I'm not wearing this thing inside. Look at it. It's my size, but the waist. Well, I may see if I can tack it. It may not be all that bad at the end of the day. I might see if I can tack it. First thing I should hurry and check his shoe. See, the funny part is the reason why I even got this stuff. The stuff is not even holding again. And I got this stuff for some reasons. And I don't wear flat shoes, but oh God, guys, this is not my size. I have very small leg. I'm wearing 37 and this 38. I'm not sure this is going to size me, but these shoes are very nice. Like, look at it. Look at it. Let me try them on. Oh, it's not my size. I know it's not my size. It's size big. Oh guys, this fits perfectly well. Like, it's my shoe. It fits so well. It fits well. Look, guys, I was looking so long. Mama, the weather is so bright today. Like, it's so bright today. That's not what I'm talking about. So guys, I'm so excited that the shoe fits well. Will you stay, Jerry? It fits so well and it's nice. Like, pretty. It's pretty. It's pretty as a passing. It's pretty. I don't have flat shoes. I don't even like wearing flat shoes. I'm not gonna lie, but I will just learn now. Over to this. Wow, this one has belt. You see, I like this one. Hey, Jesus. This is my belongo. It has belt straps. I was that was one thing I considered when I was ordering for this, in case the waist is loose. This would be nice. Like, I even like look at the material now. It's silky. Make I not go over hype and may not come be my size. This is perfect. Guys, this is perfect. Well, I'm wearing something inside, but it's perfect. I don't need to touch this. But how come they were the same size? But if I had something tight, it's not having bad either. But I don't think this stuff, this palazzo, is like more like all this palazzo stuff. I like my trousers being free, even my jean. I like them being very free, like a kind of baggy stuff. You understand what I mean? So this is perfect, and the fact that it has belt straps, that means I can even give it more grip if I want. So I love this. What do you guys think about this? So let's try the last one, which is the blazer. You saw the same thing with the other one. Well, this package, color, but my vibe has died off. This was not what it was looking. It was looking thicker than this. No. Who else thinks Temu is better than Shein? Like, do you feel Shein is better than Temu or Temu is better than Shein? Let me know in the comment section. It's big. It's big. Oh guys, that's it on the unboxing. I'll try to match it with better outfits, or probably with a better hair, and you know, I know how to go my way with this whole fashion stuff, and I'll be fine. So I'm not really bothered, because I know I'll rock it, and you guys won't even believe that it's this stuff I'm trying on. You get. So guys, this is that on the unboxing, and I'm done. So thanks for watching. Okay, love you guys. Please do have to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. Okay, and I'm going to see you. This is actually nice. It's nice. Maybe because these dresses are not my thing. Maybe that's why I'm not feeling them. Like, my loves, good morning. How you doing? I just woke up feeling so tired because I didn't have enough rest last night. Oh, pardon me. I'm so tired. Getting ready to go to the SP office, like to go get I have an appointment to get a driver's permit. I've been practicing my driving skills here for quite some time, and I felt it's wise to like get a permit just in case of anything. While I wait for my temporary driving license, my driver's license. So I have an appointment this morning by 10, and I have to be at the office by 9:30. So get ready with me. Let me get ready to go. Okay, so guys, that's how I you guys about me. Okay, see you. Surrounds me like a shield, and leave the corner from now until the day I see my King. It'll follow me from now until the day I see my King. I'm a bit sad. See, the weather is 21 degrees. It's raining. It's cold, but not that cold. It's just like Nigeria normal my time weather. So I'm not really covering up too much. But I'm wearing two stuffs inside here because this thing is rugged and I don't want my skin to be open so I don't get cold. So today I'm putting on my drawers from Saga Jewels. I'll be rocking them today with a earring. Yeah. So beautiful people, I'm done, and this is how I look. I don't know why this thing is not showing my outfit well. This is how I look. I have my jacket just in case the cold is much. I'll just cover up. So see you guys soon. It's windy, like very windy outside. It's windy. Say, hope I'm not gonna catch a cold. I just hope. I hope I don't. I don't know how I'm back to. Yeah, nice. Trying to make some sense. Hello guys, how are you all doing? I'm back from the drivers whatsoever. So I went there and I was told I was going to take a test. Yeah, I knew I was meant to take a test. I was meant to like take a class before, then get the certificate, then go to the DPS to get my permit, but I was not able to go take the classes for some reasons. So I just went there directly, you get. So I was told I was going to take a test. So I had to reschedule because I don't think I was prepared for the test, because it has to do with like road signs, speed limits, a whole lot of things. So I was like, let me get prepared before I come back to take the test. So I had to reschedule for another time. But guys, I don't know, I'm just feeling I don't know how I'm feeling this evening. I don't know. Since I came, I've not really been like this, and the fact that I'm not with my baby here, I've been trying as much as possible for it not to get to me, but I just miss my baby, I miss my husband, I miss everybody. It's not easy. I've been trying my best to see that, to hold myself and put myself together, but it's not easy. I know the very soon I'll be with them, like pretty soon, but I don't know. You just caught up with me this evening. This is almost 9 p.m. and I don't know. Am I feeling this way because maybe because my husband is a bit distant from me now, like I feel when he was in Canada, like I don't know if I told you guys, my husband came to Nigeria last week. He's in Nigeria currently, so I don't know. Our time difference is not much if he's in Canada and if I'm here. Like, it's just 1 hour difference from US to Canada because they are both American countries. So but now he's in Nigeria and it now feels very distant. And me seeing them together now makes me want to be with them. Seriously, this whole distant marriage thing is not easy. If you're not strong, don't do it. If you're not strong, don't just do it because it will eat you up. It would eat you up. I've not been trying to be strong, but guy. So that I think I will end this video here.
Never would do the worst thing to a person the world's ever seen, but that guy isn't you and that girl isn't me, and I'm tired of thinking someday we could be who we were at first in a parallel universe.
So down. I couldn't eat. I don't know. I was just thinking too much today, thinking about a lot, and it's now I want to eat. See, I'm trying to. This is 9:01. I'm eating by this time. Let me eat away my sorrows and my pain. Let me make you Jesus. Well, I know I'll be fine. The thing is, I was coping with the distance marriage. You get the distance marriage. Yeah, that's what I told. Then I added distant family, like adding my baby to it now. It's not like distant family. It's not easy, but it's for the good, and I'm sure that everything will get better soon. I think I'm over it. It's okay to cry, like they would say. It's okay to cry. So guys, I'll be ending this vlog here. I'll see you in the next one, okay? Bye. Take care. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a lovely comment. Let me know your view on the dresses I tried on. What do you think about them? Okay? Bye.
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances?